This is the new Apple HomePod Mini, and it's described as an intelligent assistant, a controller to your smart home, and most importantly to me, a speaker with room-filling sound. When I heard you could hook up two of these simultaneously for a stereo pair, I thought to myself, is this my new retro-looking stereo system? So these little orbs come in at 3 inches high and less than a pound in weight, but packed to the gills in tech, including a full-range driver to deliver 360 degrees of sound, 4 microphones to help you connect with other connected HomePods, and also Siri. And speaking of Siri, it's at your beckoning call all the time, and it's ready to do all its Siri stuff. I've been using a couple of Amazon Echoes over the year and have always found it very annoying, doesn't work right, can't communicate with me, can't understand what I'm saying, and also can't find the music that I want to listen to. It's just a big hassle, and I've never really enjoyed the experience of using these things over the last few years. So this year, when Apple released the HomePod Mini in 4 new colors, one of them definitely caught my eye, as I have a strong love of any stereo equipment that comes in orange. I don't know what it is about that color on stereo gear, but it just makes it look industrial, it makes it look heavy and strong, all good things for what I want in my stereo gear. And as I was finding other examples of stereo gear for this video, I found these Walkmen, and Sony has been hooking up the color orange on their products for years. And I even had one of these Walkmans with the orange headphones, and I'm wondering if that is where this all started from. So the big day arrived, I went and picked up my futuristic speakers, I brought them home, plugged them in, and that's when I realized, oh, right. This is a $100 Bluetooth speaker. The way that they're marketing these things is that it's going to be a music lover's dream. Well, maybe that's just a music lover who doesn't really care about the sound, because any audiophile is going to be a little disappointed when they finally turn these on and listen to some music. It sounds just like any other Bluetooth speaker, tinny, muffled, very little bass. Okay, that's a little rough, so did I ever get my stereo idea working? Yes, I did. You can easily pair both of them to be a stereo pair in your home app, so that way they work together, one controls the other one is not out of whack, they're both at the same volume, and it does give you this type of surround sound where you don't really know where the music is coming from, and it's just kind of filling the air when you're in the center of them. If you move them around and find good placement, you can really get something enjoyable. Just something in the background, listen to your podcast, listen to the news. I really think these things are great for that. So same gripes I have about the Echo, just kind of a new shape and color. And did I mention that that coating looks like quite a little dust trap? So after my dream of my retro stereo withered and died, I thought, well, let's try this other cool feature, the Intercom system. I'm on the other side of the house as my partner. She works on the other side of the house at her office. And so we're always having to either call back and forth or someone has to get up. And we both love our podcasts and news and jazz in the morning. So I thought we could both have one of these. And now I can chime in and bug her whenever the opportunity presents itself. So this feature would be very handy if you are in a big house, you're in a big place, and as long as you have Wi-Fi coverage all over the place, why not have these all over? You can make an announcement to send it out to all of them at once. And the advertisement is pretty funny. You can be this annoying person like, hey, who ate the last cookie? Or did you take the trash out? So it's a cool design for a minimal product, and if you got your Apple ecosystem going on, it's definitely the easiest to set up. And so you have an eye on what's going on from your iPad or your iPhone when you're away. If you were like me and you bought into this idea that these were going to be some amazing music-inspired speakers that are going to sound great, well, then also like me, you might be a little disappointed. But for listening to easy audio, podcasts, the news, and some music on the side when you don't want to have your headphones on, these things are great and way better than the Amazon versions I've been using over the years. I hope this helped out in your decision making for the Apple HomePod Mini. If you have one, please share your experience with us in the comment section down below. I love hearing how people are using this tech and that we can all come together and help each other out. Give some insights to what we like, what we don't like. Is this thing a piece of junk? Is it worth our hard-earned money? So thanks so much for watching, and if you could hit that subscribe button down in the corner, I would appreciate it immensely. Thanks so much.